In today's video, I'll teach you how to log in Dramawave app. First of all, launch open Dramawave application. You can see over here Dramawave application has been opened. Initially, you'll be led to the home interface. Tap on the profile icon that you can see at the bottom right corner of your screen. Now you can see over here you'll be led to this kind of interface. Right over here you'll be able to find this option for sign in. So what you have to do is tap on it. Now you can see over here you'll be able to sign into your account. You can either use the Facebook or you can also use the Google. So simply tap on the sign in method of your choice. Here I'm just going to tap on this option sign in with Google. Now what you have to do is simply tap on the Google account that you would like to use to continue to Dramawave. Simply tap on your Google account. Now tap on this option continue that you can see on the screen. Now you'll easily be logged into your account. So like this you'll be able to log in. So that is how you log in Dramawave app. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.